So I don't want this to be a long video. It's just as I kind of come up with ideas for a workshop being more handy. Have this board screwed across because there's obviously, I just have a stud here and then there's a stud in the corner. So it screws here into that stud, into that stud. So then I can add multiple across this board. Probably look better if I painted it to match the wall. But anyway, these are like the dollar clamps from Harbor Freight. I'm gonna attempt to do this with one hand here. Maybe I can only do one, just so you get my idea. Okay, I don't got it in there very good, but it's the easy way right here by the door to hold a pair of gloves. Hopefully this gives you a good idea if you're looking for something like this. And also you could use it, I guess, for other ideas besides gloves. I can't really think of anything off the top of my head, but I made this for gloves. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye-bye.